One of the best parts about getting married is honestly the gifts you receive. One of those gifts for us was the NutriBullet Pro 900. Now, I'm a blender girl. I've been using blenders for ever. And at one point, I even had a juicer. But like most people, I was really interested in the new kid on the block. I've heard so much about the NutriBullet and this new fun thing that's out that's kind of cool and snappy. So I wanted to test it out for myself. So I added it to my wedding registry, and lo and behold, someone actually got it for us. Thanks, guys. So today I will be reviewing the NutriBullet Pro 900, just giving you a general overview and demonstration of the NutriBullet itself, letting you know my first impressions as well as my thoughts. Hopefully this can help you make an educated decision on whether or not you buy the product for yourself. And of course, you know the NutriBullet itself will be linked in the description box below. So if you are interested in purchasing, feel free to look below and you'll have a link there for you to purchase. Let's get into the review. For those of you who don't know, the NutriBullet is a brand of high-speed blenders designed for making smoothies, shakes, and even soups. It's known for being compact, easy to use, and really powerful, making it popular for people who want to make beverages. Now, first impressions of the NutriBullet for me is super lightweight. And for some reason, I guess I wasn't expecting it to be. It's also really sleek in its design. It looks like something you wouldn't mind leaving on your counter and didn't have to hide in your cabinet, which is a good thing. The build also seems to be very high quality and sturdy, which is also good because a lot of times when you have lightweight products, they can be kind of fragile. But this didn't feel fragile at all. Now, a con here for me is I do feel like, and I'm not sure if I'm just used to having this, but I do feel like it is missing a handle of sorts or just something to hold on to, just so you feel like you have a good grasp on it. But for the most part, if you have a decent sized hand, you should be fine. Definitely make sure if you're having kids that they use both hands when they use it themselves, which to be honest, the kids probably shouldn't use this. Now, the product itself does come with the following components, and this was all included in the box, by the way. The motor base, the NutriBullet cup, the extractor blade, and the cup ring. Now, we have the Pro 900 model, and unlike the regular 600 watt, it does have a few extra features, such as the 900 wattage. It also came with a to-go lid, a 32-ounce cup, and a 24-ounce cup. I don't know what this is for. Like, I have no clue. So. Putting the bullet together was a pretty streamlined process. I mean, to be honest, I struggle a little bit, but in my defense, most times when you get these kind of things, you really got to fill it out, until you're comfortable using it. But overall, once I figured out how to put it together, it took me a total of 10 minutes flat. Cleaning the bullet itself was a breeze. Honestly, it was probably the easiest thing to do, clean it. Which is really unusual for a blender. A lot of times there's so many different parts and it can be really time consuming or hard to navigate, especially if you have like a juicer. But to clean this, I just rinsed out the cups, put them in a dishwasher and wiped down a machine. And that was literally it. I was done. I think I'm gonna drink it out. I'm gonna drink it out of this because I think I'm supposed to and I can. At first I thought honestly, I'm not gonna lie. At first glance, this was just another smoothie thingy to me. My initial thought was this little smoothie thing was a little overrated. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, there wasn't much of a difference in the functionality, what it offered in comparison to a regular blender. It essentially does the same thing, blend. But after using the machine, I do appreciate the fact that there's a sleekness and a smoothness that actually comes with using the machine that really helped the process feel a lot more cleaner and less clunky. It's not clunky or awkward like your average blender. It's sleek, it's comfortable, it fits in your hands, and it was just kind of easy to use. So for me, this was a winner. That's it for me today, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know your thoughts. Do you have the NutriBullet? If so, what were your impressions? Of course, if you want to purchase a NutriBullet for yourself, you can check out the link in the description box below. In about a year, I'll be doing my 1-year update on the product, so make sure you look out for that. Before you leave, be sure to check out my other product reviews where I test other household products and hopefully give you a little information and make your life a little bit easier. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video. Millennial, it's the millennial. It's the official millennial body.